TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 72. You get the Nasdaq up 10. S&Ps are down 4.5. Gold contracts trading up $7.80 at $1,258 an ounce. You get silver up 6 cents, $17.35 an ounce. Platinum's up 13 at $1,039 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat at $45.53 a barrel. Bonds, you get the 10-year notes down 3 ticks, 129.22. 30-year bond off 17, 162.05, and good old King Dollar down 417 ticks at 93.95. King Dollar is making her way, trying to bust out the bottom this morning on the open, and you have volume on the way down. So I suspect it's going to get under that 93 area, get into that 92.50 area, which is the high volume swing low from August 24th. Euro's up 14 ticks, trading at $1.13, and the yen got toasted and roasted, meaning got really strong last night, up 286 at 108. We go over to the S&Ps. What do we have? Okay, so check it out. S&Ps out here right now, folks. The cash S&P. What you had out here yesterday, really subtle, but it was a failure on price, failure on volume. What did it do? It got right into the lows of the high. 2096 was the number. Got into that number, had lighter volume, failed on price. We get a flat market out here this morning. What that is saying, though, is that it can't handle price, can't get to the top of the range also. So that's telling me if we go over to the SPY, that what you're going to see the rest of this day out here is that you're going to see this little by little sell off as we get through this trading day. The NQs. Now check this out. Okay, Facebook comes out with numbers last night. Good numbers. Facebook gaps up $12. It's trading up $11 right now. Now, that is not helping. Well, that's the leader inside the NQs, but guess what? It's not enough to get the NQs higher. Right now, the Qs are up 49 cents. You got 3 million shares traded. I expect what you're going to see that also is sell-off as we go through the trading day. Why? Because the correlation inside the NQs, Facebook is 4.5%. Well, that's not enough to basically keep them higher. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants to go after these swing highs. It's going to be pretty wild watching this thing shake out. The dollar is getting destroyed out here, which is putting the commodities higher, faster, all of the above. Right now, we're at 12.58. What we have last Thursday, we got up to the 12.72 mark. Monster volume, 270,000 contracts. We've already done 128,000. Let's say we're going to do a couple 100,000 out here today. This baby wants to basically test both the swing high from last Thursday, which is 12.72, as well as the swing high that was established on March 11th. That swing high is 12.87. The way some of the gold and silver equities are acting, they just continue higher, and they have juice, they have volume behind that move. The notes, what do we have with the notes? The notes went up yesterday, down on yield, but what they actually did is that they came into the downdraft that was created from the 20th of April, and they failed on price, failed on volume. The Fed's saying they're not going up on rates, but guess what? The market is going to, little by little, start raising these rates out here. So, market-wise, what do we have? You have the Dow that is down slightly right now. The S&P's basically flat to lower, and so is the Nasdaq. As we go through this trading day out here, folks, Facebook doesn't look like it can save the market. That's the bottom line. After the market closes out here, we're going to have Amazon. Amazon right now is trading up $14. We'll see whether that price holds. But it looks to me that when you take a look at Amazon, Amazon also wants to trade to lower price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, don't miss out on the Market Safe Commodity Solution CD from Everbank. This is the second running of their popular 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD, which gives you exposure to 8 equally weighted commodities, including WTI crude oil, gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, corn, and sugar. With annual pricing caps of 70% per component, you could earn up to 70% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this indexed CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The May 19th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.